Hey everyone, happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be filming a rainy day clean with me. It was pouring down rain. We're kind of in this monsoon hurricane season and it rains all the time. So this would be the perfect motivation for you if you're stuck inside on a rainy day. And I actually love rainy days. I think that they're really peaceful and relaxing. But anyways, I'm terrible at voiceovers. I'm sure you can probably tell. But I hope that this video motivates you, and let's get to it, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I am so ready for fall. That rhymed like a little poem. Um, but yeah, I'm just so ready. I had fun this summer with my garden, and I took my baby swimming and we went on walks. But I'm just ready for the crock pot meals, going to the pumpkin patch, just even taking my baby trick or treating, even though she can't eat the candy yet, but I will gladly eat it for her. She's too little to know. But yeah, I'm just so excited, and I wanted to hop on here and tell y'all I have a couple fall themed videos that I want to do. I want to decorate the inside of my house, and I don't have very many decorations, but we'll work with what we got. And if I need something, you know, I can run to Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. And then the other one I want to do is like decorate my front porch and put out a little garden flag, some pumpkins, a wreath, and I also need to paint my front door because it is white and every single speck of dirt like just appears. So I really just want to go ahead and paint it black, and I think it would match my house pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and talk to y'all. I feel like I never talk on my YouTube. I'm kind of camera shy, but I'm working on that. So hopefully I can think of some more fall themed videos to do. But yeah, I hope y'all are excited for fall just like me. So what I'm doing here is taking down my daughter's clothes. They are the clothes that she's about to move up to in a size, but I always give them a good wash before she wears them because I worry like the dye will irritate her skin. Oh, there she is in the background now talking to me. But yeah, I'm taking all these down and I'm going to be cutting all the tags off and just getting them ready. And look how cute this is. She's going to wear that to the pumpkin patch, her little overalls. But anyways, just wanted to clarify what I was doing here. You're probably like, why is she throwing those clothes on the floor? But yeah. afterwards, but I prefer to make my bed last when I clean my house, or at least one of the last things. To me, I would rather tackle like one of the harder parts, whether it's the kitchen or bathroom, and sometimes even the living room. And that way, like when I have less energy, I'll do something that takes less, like making the bed or, just vacuuming something. Because I know people say like making your bed first will make you feel productive, but I've never felt that way. I just feel overwhelmed of like what else I have to do. So everybody's different. Just experiment and see what works best for you when you have to clean your whole house. Start off with something little like making your bed. And then if that doesn't make you feel productive, then go ahead and jump right into the kitchen like what I do. Everybody's so different with how they clean. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. If you're still here, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who takes the time to like my videos, comment, and if you would like to, even subscribe. It makes me feel so happy because I know I'm not the best yet at this. But yeah, I hope that this video motivated you, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye, y'all.